Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you, this is your syllabus. So from this syllabus we have completed this topic, data handling using pandas 1. So we have completed. So now I'm going to start this data visualization part. Okay, after that we'll discuss this data handling using pandas. So now in data visualization, what it is there, how to do all this thing. So we are going to discuss about this. So now for this I have prepared this presentation and some practice programs for you also, so that you can practice. So here data visualization. So here this is the presentation I made for you, and some practice programs already I have given here. So here see, these are the practice programs, so that I'll send you. You can practice. These are the programs. Serially number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Serially you will practice, so you'll understand everything. So here in this these programs what I have done in Anaconda, every programs you can do in Python 3.7 also. For that Python pandas module you have to install in your system. Okay. So now see data visualization. So just some lines for data visualization I have prepared for you. Data visualization basically refers to the graphical or visual representation of information and data using visual elements like charts, graph and maps, etc. So for data visualization in Python, the matplotlib library's pplot interface is used. That means this is the main thing. Matplotlib you have to use there. This is the Python library is already there, and from this library pplot interface we have to use. Is clear? So now matplotlib is the Python library that provides many interfaces and functionality for 2D graphics. Pplot is the collection of methods within matplotlib which allows user to construct 2D plots easily and interactively. In order to use pplot for data visualization, we need to first import it in Python environment. Import matplotlib.pplot. Like this, we have to write the line to import matplotlib pplot. Clear? So you can write like this also as pl. As you writing import pandas as pd. So here also you can write import matplotlib.pplot as pl. It's clear? Before proceed, we have to have the idea of numpy library. Okay. So now example C, import numpy as np. Numpy already we have done. So here import matplotlib.pplot as pl. So what we are doing, x is equal to np.line space 1 10 5 print x. So what it will do in this function, see, so in this example, so when you are importing the matplotlib pplot as pl, so now x is equal to np.line space 1 10 5. That means you are taking the numbers from 1 to 10 in the line. You are going to take the numbers from 1 to 10 and 5 numbers you are going to take. See, when you are going to print this output, what it will come. So it will start the numbers from 1 and it will end the number in 10. That means it will take 5 numbers. That is why it is 5 given here. So here the output is coming like this. See, 1, 3.25, 5.5, 7.75, 10. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers is coming. So that is why this is. After that, y is equal to, y is another variable np.log x. That means you are calculating the log value of this x. What the values are there in x, those values log value you are calculating here. This log function is already there in numpy library. That is why you are using this log function, log method, by using this np. Okay, by using this numpy module. So now print pl.plot xy. So what you are doing, plot function is used to create line graph. You are creating line graph now. So here x and y, by using the values of x and y, you are creating the plot. Okay. So now see in the output what it is coming. So this line is coming here. Okay, according to your this program, according to your x and y value. So this line is coming. It is clear. So 1 to 10, 5 points were there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 5 points. That means this is the value of x and this is the value of y. Clear? Okay. Now in the next example, a line chart or line graph is a type of sort which displays the information as a series of data points called markers connected by straight line segments. So here what we are doing, A is equal to, this is a list, B is equal to, this is another list, C is equal to, this is another list. So what we are doing here, import matplotlib pplot as pl, the same thing we are doing what we have done before. So here print pl.plot AB. So by using A and B, we are creating one plot. Okay. So next, print pl.x label. We are giving the name of this x and y. So by giving this x level and y level, we can give the names. See, these names we can give. We are creating the plot. That means one line graph we are creating by using this plot command. So here the x values, that means these values are A and these values are B. It is clear? So A's values are coming from 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 to 4, these values are coming. And here B's values 2 to 8, these values are there. Okay. So now print pl.x level. That means this x-axis level you are giving some values. This some values you are giving the name. And for y level you are giving the name double values. So this double values is coming here. So like this output will come. Clear? So when we will practically do some programs, automatically you will understand how to do this. So you have to remember all these commands. Okay. So in this example, you learn about how to draw a line graph. Okay. By using plot command, you can create line graph. So where is plot? Plot is there in matplotlib pplot. By using this pl, that means this library, you are using this plot function. Clear? This x level, y level, these two functions are already there in the matplotlib pplot. Clear? By using this library, this module, you are creating this line graph and you are giving this level name. Clear? In the next program, see, continue with some practical examples in Python. So I'm going to show you some practical programs. So how to do data visualization. So here I have done some programs for you. These programs also you can do in Python 3.7. So to Python 3.7, if you are going to do, for that you have to install this pip install pandas. I've already told you. So then only you can use you can write these programs in pandas, Python 3.7. So I'm going to do these programs in here in Anaconda. So you can do in Anaconda also, you can do in here also, Python 3.7 also. Okay. So now see Jupyter Notebook. Okay, our programs are there in desktop. Ready to upload. Informatics Practices, data visualization using pplot. Okay, suppose I'm going to show you the first program. Graphical visualization. What about data visualization? I am writing this line. Just you can read these lines. Okay. So what about data visualization? Is there matplotlib is what already written here. Pplot is what. In order to use the pplot data visualization, we need to first import this Python environment. So just read these lines. Okay. So after that, the next program, what is there? Number 2. This is the second program. See, this is the second program 2. So this example already we have discussed in the slide. Okay. Now go to the next 3. This is 3. A line chart giving the markers or values, the level name we have already discussed in the slide. Now go to 4. So here what we are doing, see, changing line style, line width, line color in line chart. So how to do this? Color codes. So here B hyphen is there for blue, Z hyphen is there for green, and R dash is there for red, M dash is for magenta, Y dash is for yellow, K dash for black, C dash for cyan, W dash for white. So these are the color codes you have to remember. So import matplotlib pplot as pl, import numpy as np. We are creating one array here by giving arrange function, and x is equal to np.arrange 0, 10, and 0.1. So what the values it will come here? So here the values will start from 0 to 10 and it will take step as 0.1. Okay, so start stop step. So 0, 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.4, like this it is coming up to 9.9. so these values are there in x. Okay, a is equal to np.cost. That means you are calculating the cost function. This cost function is already done in the in the numpy module. So we are just calling this cost function. So we are calculating the cost value of this x. We are calculating the sign value of this x and storing in b, in e, a. And here pl.plot, we are calculating one line. So x by x a b, we are giving here b, and here pl.plot x b. Then that means you are displaying in this plot the cost values, and here the sign values you are displaying, and giving the color code as b and r here in pl.show. So it will display something. See what it will come. See, these colors are coming. One is b and one is r. So these colors are coming here. And here print, even if we skip the color information in plot, Python will plot multiple lines in the same plot with different colors. Automatically it will take different colors, but these colors are decided internally by Python, for example. Okay, so now see pl.plot xa, pl.plot xb. So I am displaying another one. See this one. So here what we are doing, we are not giving any color code, and here we have given color code. So when we are giving the color code, then this is coming like this, and if we are not giving the color code, then also it is taking automatically, Python is giving automatically two different colors here. Okay, so how the lines are coming. So if you will calculate the cost value and this sign value, when you will write the exact values here, then automatically you will understand how it is coming. So you have to understand, you have to know. So you just find the cause and sign values also, then try to understand how it is coming. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to draw the lines, what the commands you have to use, and you have to calculate the functions also, and you just see practically how it is correct or not. Okay, now go to the next example. This is number 5. So here what we are doing, to change line width in plot. So now see matplotlib pplot spl, import the same thing we are doing here. The same cost function and sign function we are doing here. pl.plot xa line width. By writing this line width 8, line width is 8. So you can change the width of the line. And here pl.plot x level line width 4, line style dashed. See, these are different things you can do in line. Okay. So now see pl.show, this is coming like this. So this is line width is more, and here this line width is 4 is here. That is why it is coming like this, and this is dashed. Line style is dashed. So that is why this is dashed. We can give line style dash dash also. Okay, done. So now go to the next example, number 6. To change marker type. Marker type means this is the marker, the point where the point which you want to indicate. Okay, so this is the marker. So here to change the marker size, color, everything you can do here in line. So here the same thing we are doing, but we are giving the step here is 2. So previously we have given the step 0.1. So here step is 2. So that means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Clear? So 10 will not come because this is the last value, and -1 it will come. So a is equal to np.cost function we are calculating here. So pl.x level and y level we are giving already, you know. So pl.plot x a, we are plotting this, and color we are giving this blue, and marker d we are writing. Okay, so marker size is 5. So about marker options, you have to go to the book. Page number is this, Sumita Arora, in Sumita Arora book, page number 264. Every marker options are given there, so you can see from there. So marker type D is there, marker size is 5, and marker edge color is red here. So the so here this is coming like this, this line is there. So here marker, see, marker is D, and marker size is 5. This is the marker size is 5 here, and marker color is red. Its marker its color means this border color, marker border color is red here. It's clear? pl.show is coming like this. Then combine marker type and color. So for this plot XA B plus marker size 10. So these are some codings. If you will change these values, okay, if you will change these values, marker size, if you are giving if it is given here 10, if you will change 20, then automatically you will understand everything. So use I advise you to change this, okay, when practically you are going to show these programs, you just change this size, and you just find the marker options also. From Sumitara book you will get, or in net also you will get the marker options, okay. So about the color codes and everything, so you can sense and practice this, okay. So now in the next plot B plus is there. So change the marker type, marker color and type you are doing here. So marker color is B here, blue, and type is plus. So here it is coming this plus, see, blue plus it is coming. Clear? So marker size is 10. So that means this is size is 10. Here also. And here what we are doing, marker is S, marker size 10, marker its color red. This one. So these different options are there, so you can see. Number 7. So here this is one question. Create an array in range 1 to 20, okay. So and 1 to 20 with values 1.25 apart. That means step is this. So that is why you are writing the lines like this. np.arrange 1 to 20, you are taking one array and the step is 1.25. It is clear? And after that what you are doing, another array to create the log values. Simply plot the two. So another array is this, so which will calculate the log values of these values. It will calculate the log values of A. Done. So now again you are plotting the lines. See how to plot this. So like this it has plot. So this for the first question, simply plot two arrays, first vs second line chart. So you are just drawing one line chart like this, plot A and B, so it will create one line. So another options are also there. For another questions in the plot of first vs second array, specify the x-axis containing first array values. So here for the next example you have to go the next example. Question in 8, it is there the next part. Here is the next part. Solution B. See in the plot specify the x-axis containing first array values. This is the x-axis. So here what we are doing, okay, axis name you are giving here, x level and y level you are giving here. See the same program is there. So here x level is random values and y level is logarithm values. So this is y level and this is x level. Your level you are giving here, okay. And go to the next one for the next answer, 9. Okay, so here what you are doing, see in a C, create a third array that stores the cost values, cost values of first array, then plot both second and third array vs first array, the cost values. You will just read this. So what to do? So what we are doing, here we are calculating the log value also, cost values also, and line style we are changing best, random values and logarithm values. So it is displayed like this. Two plots we have given there. One plot is for pl.plot AB and another plot is for A and C. Clear? So like this you will understand everything. So the next answer also you will see, number 10. This is number 10. So here also what to do, only mark the data points, this second array data points as blue small diamond. That is what to change, it is given there in the question. So how it is coming, see. So you will read the question from here and see the answer, how it is coming. Okay. Now go to the next example, 11. So here what you are doing, so here see, so here also you are doing changing the marker type and size. Okay, in the in solution E, you are changing the marker type and size. Color is also there, style is also there, so everything you are changing here. The same thing you are doing here. Number 12. So bar graph, line is finished, now bar graph. So here see, bar graph or bar chart is graphical representation of data using bars of different heights. So here what you are doing, import matplotlib is this A, B, C. So this is one, the values of A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are different lists. A, B, C, these three different lists you have taken here. In the first list, these values are there. In the second list, B, these values are there. In third list, C, these values are there. Okay. So now to draw line graph, you have to write plot command there. And here to write bar graph, to draw bar graph, you have to write this command, pl.bar. By using this bar function, you can draw bar charts or bar graphs. Okay. So now here see, you are drawing bar diagram by using these two lists A and B. Okay, and X level and Y level also you are giving here, list A and list B. pl.show, then it will show this bar graph. See, A and B, this bar graph is coming. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 4, 6, 8, A and B. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here it is coming 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is coming, and in this side B's values are coming. B's values are there is 2, 4, 6, 8. So here is 2 and 4, then 6, then 8. Clear? So you will understand everything automatically when you will see this. So now again bar from A and C we are creating. So that means you have to remember one thing, that to draw bar diagram you have to write the bar function here, pl.bar. For line graph you have to write pl.plot. It is clear? Okay. Now go to the next example. This is 13. So where is 13? Okay, 13 is not there. Then 14, go to 14. So again what you are doing here, np.arrange length. Again you are creating one bar graph, and these different options you are giving here. So colors option is giving here, width is giving here. So width is 0.3, that is why this width is coming like this. So you can sense everything. You just do one thing, you just sense everything and try to see what it will come, the output. Then you will understand automatically. In place of width you can sense, in place of this color you can sense. Okay, so you just sense everything, you can sense practically, then you will understand how to do this. Similarly in line graph what you have done. In 15 also this is color, width. So these are different examples you will get for the next examples. See, like this it is coming, how it is coming. So different examples are there. So you have to practice everything then by your own, then only you will understand, you can remember everything. Clear? So now go to 16. So this is showing some arrows there. So skip this, go to 17. So here it is showing pie chart. So I'm going to show you how this pie chart has drawn. So here see pl.pie you have to write there. In place of plot, in place of bar, for pie chart you have to write .pie. Clear? So now see, country we are writing 17, 8.8, 12.75. These values are there in this list, and you are creating one pie chart and you are displaying this pie. So this is coming. Okay, this pie is coming. Now what you are doing, levels of slices of pie. So how to give the level name? That means X level, Y level you have given in bar or line graph. Now here in pie, how to give the levels? For that you have to write country, these values are there, and houses equal to these names are there. pl.pie, country, levels, houses. It is clear? So this is the process to give the levels in pie. So it is displaying here. See here. these labels are coming. Clear? Now adding formatted slice percentage to pi, pl.py country labels houses auto pct 0.3 df percentage. So these are different wait one second. So here, okay, here these different options are there, so you can run one by one. So if you are going to run this, see, suppose I'm going to show you the last one, 0.5.3 f, that means after 0.3 values it will come, and before it will display control x. See, I'm deleting this, only this line is there. Now I'm going to run this program. So see, after 0.3 is there, so it is coming 16. These three values are coming, these three values are coming, these three values are coming. So here what is the percentage it has taken for the specific part it is displaying. So how many percentage it has taken? 32.350 percentage it has taken, 16.7646, like this. Okay, so now again, suppose here I am giving Ctrl Z, so I am just going to display, suppose the second line. Okay, so I am deleting this one, delete, and suppose this line also I am going to delete. Now run this program. Now what it will come? See, after point only one value is coming, 4, 3, 6. Clear? So like this, actually when you will run okay, every line has come. So when you are going to do practically all this thing, then you will do one thing, just delete every lines except one line. That means keep this line and then see what the output it will come. Then again keep this line, then what the output will come. Then again keep this line, then what the output will come. Then you will understand actually why this is writing here. So how it will come, everything you will understand. Okay, now go to 18 here, containing colors of slices. So you can change the color also for slices, different by different parts. See here, country level houses is there, the same thing is there. So here what we're doing, color red, cyan, pink, yellow, silver. So these are color you are giving by your own. So that is why these colors are changing here. So how to change color, for that this thing you have to know. Clear? Okay. So now to change the colors, these color codes are there. Auto PCT, also auto automatic percentage, it will take like this 0.2 f I have given here. So you do one thing practically when you are going to do, then you will just change these values also. These values also automatically you will understand what exactly it is coming. Clear? So now go to 19. Here exploding slices, that is different thing. Here for exploding slices, you can do, if you will see the previous thing what you are doing here, everything is same what you have done in the previous programs. So here you are writing this expl, these values you are giving here. So if you will change these values, the diagram will definitely it will change. So here to explode, you can write like this. When you will explode one pie chart, then it will come like this. See, this is you are exploding. Clear? So for exploding these portions what you are giving here in expl, according to these values it will display. Okay, so you do one thing, when practically you will do, you will change these values also. So like this pie chart you can do, and remaining another some programs are also there, that is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You will see, you will understand everything. Okay, if you will not understand anything, you can ask me in WhatsApp also. Okay, so these practices you have to do at home by your own, then only you will understand what exactly it is going to do. So the color codes and all the line styles, the bar styles, everything, how to change the codes you have to remember. So how to draw the line graph for plot is there, how to draw the bar graph, bar is there, how to draw pie chart, pie is there. So everything you have to remember. Clear? Okay, thank you, bye bye.